If you're ever wondering what sheep do in the rain, they basically just stand there. It's like they're frozen. I'm not sure why. But you can see few of them are even moving. They just stay in one place. There's a couple eating in the background there, but look at these other guys. They're not doing anything. I don't know if they're waiting for the rain to stop or for some other signal that it's okay to start moving again. But basically, they just stand there and they don't even look for shelter from the rain. They're just waiting. I think they're waiting for it to stop. But I don't know why they stop moving. They think the rain will run off of them more easily if they're standing still. Yep, there's one moving. Everybody else is just standing there.